Hello guys, today we are going to talk about how to create company in SAP. So in this we will be learning following topics. What is company? How to create company in SAP? Company creation path in SPRO customizing and T code for company creation. So let's get straight into it, the topics. So first is what is company in SAP? Company is an organizational unit in SAP for which we can have financial statements. Financial statements means profit and loss statements, balance sheet, like that. So a company can have one or more company codes assigned to it. And company is a 6-character alphanumeric code. So if we take example like suppose we take example of YouTube itself. So consider YouTube as a company and YouTube has presence in different countries like YouTube India. You can take company code. YouTube UK you can take different company code. So we can take YouTube as a company and YouTube India, UK and different regions as different company codes. So now second is path for creating company. So this is the path SPRO implementation guide for R3 customizing, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting and define company. And T code for creating company is OX15. So let's do practical and understand how to create company in SAP. First we will go through the path. So enter T code SPRO, hit enter, click on SAP reference IMG. That enterprise structure, financial accounting, and if we click on this clock symbol, execute, you can create company. We are in the company creation screen. So now we can create through new entries or we can create through copy as. So now we will be doing through copy. So select anyone from which you want to copy and click on copy as. So now as we learn, company is a 6-character alphanumeric key. So we can enter 6 codes, give the name of company, we can give our YouTube channel name, ARP, name 2, we can give anything like I will give code here, company code. Now give the address. Enter postal code. Give city. Country is correct. Language, currency, I will take it INR, Indian rupees. Okay. Now hit enter and new company is created. Now click on save. This will ask for TR request. Now if you are creating for first time, you can create new one. Give the name. And click on save. Click tick mark. Now company has been created. Now we will go through T code directly OX15. It will open the same screen as earlier one. You can see it is the same screen. Now if we want to see our company code, company. Then it is present here. Now we will see what table entries are created. Go to SE10, click on modifiable request and display. Now our TR was first one is our TR. Now expand this TR. You can see that this is the entry created and this is the table number. So if we select this table and open new session, now go to SE16N table and copy that, paste this here. Now we created S10101 is our company. Click on effect. So this is the new company which we have created. So hope you have understand this, how to create company in SAP. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. And till then, see you soon in next video.